Hello everyone. We'll be continuing with arithmetic progression exercise 5.2 in NCERT syllabus and 1.2 in state syllabus. We'll do problem number 16 which states determine the AP whose third term is 16 and seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. So first let us read the question and let us put it across in the form of equation. Now determine the AP whose third term is 16. Third term is 16, which means the third term is written as A3 is 16. This is what is given. Okay, this is the first thing which is given. Seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. So seventh term exceeds fifth term by 12. This is how we write. Okay, so this is our second equation. Now we will try to solve this second equation and then we will try to find the AP. Determine the AP means we should find the value of A, D and then the terms. So let us continue. A7, as you know, is A plus 7 minus 1, which is 6D. A5 is A plus 5 minus 1, which is 4D plus 12. We'll cancel the common terms on the both side, A and A. 6D is equal to 4D plus 12. So 6D minus 4D is equal to 12. So 6D minus 4D gives us 2D is equal to 12. D is equal to 12 by 2, which is 6. We have got the value of D. Now let us substitute the value of this D in equation 1. Now equation 1 says A3 is equal to A16, which implies A plus 2D is equal to 16. Now we'll substitute the value of D in this. So A plus 2D is equal to 16. A plus 2 into 6D, value of D is equal to 16. A plus 6 2s are 12 is equal to 16. A is equal to 16 minus 12, which is our 4. We have got the value of D, we have got the value of A. Now they have asked us to determine the AP. So we will write terms of AP, A1, A2, A3 and so on. We will write 4 terms. So the first term, we have already got answer of A, 4. Second term is nothing but A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. Fourth term is A plus 3D and so on. So this is 4. A plus D, that is 4 plus 6. A plus 2D, 4 plus 2 into 6. 4 plus 3 into 6, which is 4 comma 10 comma 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 4 gives us 16, right? 6 2s is 12. 12 plus 4 will give us 16. 6 3s is 18. 18 plus 4 gives us 22. So this is our AP. So we have got the AP. So determine the AP they have asked. So we have determined the AP. 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. Let us do next problem. Next problem says find 20th term from last term of AP. This AP is given, but there is a twist here. They have asked to find from the last term. If it was direct, we would have done directly A is equal to 3, D is 3 minus 8. But they have asked us to find from the last term. So I am going to rearrange this question as, I am going to take it as 253. I am going to make the last term as the first term because they have asked us to find from the last term. So 253. So on here I have 13, 8, 3. Okay. So my A will be 253. D will be equal to, what is D? D is basically A2 minus A1, right? So I can come like this. So 8 minus 13, which will give me minus 5. Correct? A n here is 3. Fine. So we have to find the 20th term from the, sorry, A n is not. We have to find the 20th term. We should find A20. A20 we have to find. N is given as 20. Okay, we have to find 20th term. Fine. Now what we are going to do? We are going to use the formula an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A20 we should find is equal to, the value of A is 253 plus 20 minus 1 into minus 5. So A20 is equal to 253 plus 19 into minus 5. So 253 plus 19 into minus 5. Okay. So 19 5 is 95 plus, because it is minus, I have written in bracket. Now we know plus into minus is minus. So 253 minus 95. We have to subtract this both in order to find the 20th term. So 253 minus 95. We will do this subtraction. So 253 minus 95, 5, 8, 5, 1. So we'll get the 20th term to be 158. Okay. I hope you have understood. We have found the 20th term from last term of this given AP. Now we will proceed and do the 18th problem. 18th problem states the sum of 4th and 8th term of AP is 24. So let us write it down. Sum of 4th and 8th term is 24. When we simplify, A4 is A plus 3D, A8 is A plus 7D is equal to 24. A plus A, 2A, 3D plus 7D, 10D is equal to 24. If I divide this entire equation by 2, I'll get A plus 5D is equal to 12, correct? 2 1s are, 2 5s are, 2 12s are. Now, second statement, the sum of 6th and 10th term, I'll write it here. Sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. So, A6 is A plus 5D, A10 is A plus 9D is equal to 44. We will add on the like terms, A plus A to A, 9 plus 5 is 14D is equal to 44. We'll do the same thing, we'll divide by 2. A plus 7D is equal to 22. This is our equation 2. Now we'll solve this both equations. Solve 1 and 2, which is A plus 5D is equal to 12 and A plus 7D is equal to 22. We'll change the signs, cancel. Minus 2D is equal to minus 10. So D is equal to minus 10 by minus 2, which is 5. So we have got the value of D as 5. Now we'll find A. So we'll use any one equation. So we will use equation 1, which says A plus 5D is equal to 12. We'll substitute the value of D. A plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12. A plus 25 is equal to 12, which is A is equal to 12 minus 25, which is minus 13. So we have got D, we have got A. Now they have asked us to find first 3 terms of AP. So first 3 terms of AP are nothing but A plus D, A plus 2D, correct? And so on. A we already know minus 13, A plus D, that is minus 13 plus 5, minus 13 plus 2D, 2 into 5 and so on. So when you simplify, you'll get the AP is minus 13. Minus 13 plus 5 is nothing but minus 8. And then minus 13 plus 10 is minus 3 and so on. So this is our AP. This is our solution. I hope you have understood. Let us move on and do 19th problem. There are 2 more problems to go and we'll finish this exercise. So Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? So here they have asked in which year did his income reach rupees 7,000. So there is 2 things which have to be found out. So let us go with the given data. So his salary started with rupees 5,000, correct? So 5,000 will be our A. He had an increment of 200 rupees, correct? So this will be our D. So this will be our A and this will be our D. So we'll start with this basic info. A is 5,000, D is 200. So it says his salary, in which year it reaches 7,000. So it means we will form a series as 5,000 plus 200, 5,200 plus 200, 5,400 till 7,000. So clearly A is 5,000, D is 200, AN is our 7,000. So first we will find out N. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. 7,000 is equal to 5,000 plus N minus 1 into 200. So we will shift 5,000 the other side, is equal to N minus 1 into 200. So when you subtract, you will get 2,000. I'll shift this 200 down. So by 200 is equal to N minus 1, 2 1s are, 2 10s are. So N minus 1 is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 plus 1. So N is equal to 11. Now we have got 11. They have asked in which year did his income reach 7,000. So the starting year is 1995, correct? Now we have to find in which year did his income reach. So we will find out A11. Okay, A11 is nothing but A plus 10D, which we already know. What is A? Here A is 1995. It is the year. 1995 is the year where he started to work, and it went on. They have asked in which year it reaches. Correct? This is about the salary. This is about salary. This is about year. Okay. So plus 10D. What is D? It is about every year, right? 1995, 1996, like this. So D is 1. So 1995 plus 10 will give you 2005. Now you might make a mistake. 1995 plus 11, if you add, you will get 2006. But that is not the solution. That is not the right way. This is the right way you have to do. Okay. So in 2005, his salary, he had his income reached rupees 7,000. Let us do the last problem and complete this exercise. Last problem is very simple. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving became 20.75, find n. So it's very simple. So she saved rupees 5 in the first week of the year. That means we will start A as 75 and increased her weekly saving by 1.75. If this is our A, it is 1.75. That is, if you form a series, it will be 5 plus 1.75, 6.75, and so on till 20.75. Okay, so this is our series. I hope it's clear. Okay, so it started with 5, increment of 1.75 every year, and at the end it is 20.75. So A is 5, D is 1.75, AN is 20.75. We have to find the value of n. We'll use the same formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute the values. AN as 20.75, A is 5, and this. Now same procedure. 20.75 minus 5 is equal to n minus 1 into 1.75. Okay. Now we have subtracted 20.75 minus 5, we'll get 15.75. We will divide with 1.75 is equal to n minus 1. So 15.75 by 1.75, you will get this as 9. So 9 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 9 plus 1, n is equal to 10. So they have asked the question to find n. We have found out n to be 10. We have successfully completed this exercise, children. So I hope you have understood the complete exercise. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. Have a nice day.